Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today, with just a few days to go before NaNoWriMo starts, I'm going to give you a few NaNoWriMo survival tips. If you are participating in NaNoWriMo, look me up and add me as a buddy. You will find me under the name Word Salad with Coffee, all one word. If you know other writers who are participating, add them as buddies as well. It's a nice way of building a supportive community for yourself. Make use of the forums. NaNoWriMo forums are fantastic. You may want to chat about your progress, or you may need help naming one of your characters, or you might be searching for a point of fact that impacts your story. It seems that no matter what you need, there's someone in the forums who will have the answer. Update your word count on the NaNoWriMo website regularly. It's fun to watch that graph go up as your word count grows, and it also gives you a visual look at how you are trending compared to the goal. Create a schedule, but allow for some flexibility. You may have every intention of writing a set number of words per day, but life happens. You may not feel well one day. You may have to work late. Some emergency may happen. At some point, something's going to crop up that will get between you and your daily word count. On the other hand, there will be days when the words just flow and you finish your allotted words well ahead of schedule. If you have the energy, keep going. Do a bit extra. If you're stuck at a certain point in your story, if you're just not feeling it, write a different scene. You don't have to write in order. Take regular breaks. I cannot stress that enough. Self-care matters, and if you're getting headaches from sitting in front of your screen, you're not going to enjoy the process. Watch this video for some ways to prevent headaches. The key message: get up, move around, take your eyes off your screen at regular intervals, and drink plenty of fluids. Above all, enjoy the process. Don't think of it as a task. Think of it as an opportunity to unleash your creativity. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.